Hi, this is Marcia. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. Happy to have you here with me today in my studio in sunny Florida. So we're going to be making some cute little envelopes today for our stationery note cards that we are making, that we are putting in our Happy Mail binder. That's our part of our Handmade gift guide series, making handmade gifts without spending any money by using up your supplies. So use up your stash. Get out all of those supplies. And what I've been doing is a color coordinated Happy Mail binder and beautiful purples and blues. So this is what we've made so far, and this is video number 8 in the series, or 9, I can't remember. Where am I? Maybe this is video 9. So then I think I have one more after this. So we've made this beautiful collage page with clear pockets and some matching tags. We've made these beautiful note cards. I want to make sure you're seeing everything here. Okay, yeah, let me hold it down here like this. If I hold it up, I think it's where I make a boo-boo. And then the stationery note card set. We made the file folder pockets, and we made the fabric bag, and inside is a face mask and the necklace holder. And then I made the matching matchbook notebooks and a little junk journal. So we have one more folder to make. So I'm giving her 6 note cards. So we'll have the 12 note cards and 12 envelopes will go into another folder, and that folder is going to be in one of these blue themed papers here. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with, but it will be pretty and it will match. So it will be something from the collage page. So that way she'll be able to pick it up right away that it's something that matches. Okay, so now we're going to need an envelope punch board. This is from We Are Memories Keeper, so any envelope punch board that you have. And I'm going to make sure that I'm staying in camera so that you can see. And you'll need some type of an adhesive. It can be wet glue or it can be double-sided tape. I get this from scrapbook.com. I love it. And then you can use Aleene's tacky glue, and I have this is mixed with Mod Podge. This is what I use for my collage pages. And then any papers, so any scrapbook papers, and these were just from a paper pack, and I just did not like this black and white paper pack. Oh, I'm getting a little too fast on myself here. So this will be the inside, so as you can see, and then the outside will stay white, where she can write the address on. Where did I put the one that I already had made? Oh, here. I do this all the time. Okay, so now the 5x6 note card slides right in here. Okay, fits perfectly in the envelope. All right. So that's what we're going to be making today, is all the envelopes. So let me show you how quick and easy it is. This is a 5x6. Now, I bring this in so that you can see the measurements. Okay, perfect. You can see this perfectly now. Okay, good. So find your card size here. So you have card size, paper size, score line. Card size was 5x6 right here. Paper size 9x9. Score line 4 1/4. So here's your score line up here. So we're going to find the 4 1/4, and then this is what you use, this score line here, and then this is your final result. Okay. So now you got that a close up. Now you'll know what I'm doing. Over. I'm just going to take this here, and I'm going to use the white side, not the pattern side, and I'm going to go to the 4 1/4, and this is, I punch first, then you put your little tool and you score. Okay, so let me make sure you're seeing all that. Yes. Okay, and you turn it, and you line up this little piece here on that score line. So I'll bring it up so you can see it. Okay, so you see the score line here? Okay, very good. And then this sharp little piece here, and you see there's a little opening in here. Okay, so then the score line here, where is it? Here. Okay, that's what I'm going to be putting the tool here, and it will line it up right there. I want to make sure everybody sees me. Nobody gets upset. My husband pointed that out to me in the last video. Honey, when I was tying the end onto the mask, You couldn't see me do that. And I said, okay, but I showed you as I was sliding it down, so now I'm going to have to keep making sure that I'm in frame for every little detail. Okay, so there's your score lines. So you see all of these score lines here, okay? And then you get the little points, and it looks just like the picture, see? Okay, now we take it and turn it sideways, and you put the paper in here, and you punch, and now you get the nice little rounded corner instead of the sharp point. So you get rid of the sharp points. So that quick and easy. And I don't have one of your handheld corner rounders. I may break down and buy one of those one day. Okay, so this corner here, oh, see, I forgot to punch it here. Huh? So put it in here. It's okay. Just line up the little score line. And there you go. So see, if you happen to forget to punch, don't worry about it. Just go back and line up the score line and you can punch. Set that out of the way. And now turn your paper over. So you're looking at the pattern. And now just fold in these corners, all on the score line, each page. And your flap. If the pattern, if there's a like wording and you wanted the wording to be where you would, it was readable, then that's fine. Okay, so now we're going to take our double-sided tape. Okay, we're going to come in here and we're going to apply the adhesive. So now on the other one, I just used the wet glue a minute ago so I could just show you what the final was going to look like. But now we're going to use the double-sided tape. Just come here and just like this. Quick and easy. Okay, now peel this up. You have to get the corners down first, and then it will let you lift it up easy. There we go. Okay, now fold this down. If you want to go over it with your little burnisher, bone folder. Okay. Now take your note card. Ta-da! Okay, so this one I did with the wet glue, and as you can see the little bit of it's still needing to dry. But once it's dry, you won't see that. But if you use the just double-sided tape, then you don't see it at all. Okay. Alright, so there's two. I'll just do a few more with you, but you get the idea. So this one I've already done, so let's go ahead and put the adhesive on it. Make sure I've got the right flaps here. Did that a minute ago. Okay, yes. So just use it as a comparison, so you're making sure you're folding down the right sides before you glue it. Just put your envelope card in it, and then one that you've already made. That way you know you're sizing it up correctly. You're gluing the right flaps down. Sometimes it's obvious, but sometimes it's not. Okay. The corners. Okay. Now just peel up the little tape. And then peel up the other side. And then fold up the bottom. And there you have it. Okay. And again. Snug. Okay, I might have to come back and trim some of this off. Okay, this one might be a little bit, let's see, they should be all the same size. Nope. Okay, so I might have to trim that one off. But, yep, see, this is the same size. But why is that card giving me a hard time? I do not know. Alright, so I'll trim that one up in a minute so that it will fit. So come back over here, 4 1/4. Turn, punch, score, turn, punch, score. That's why it's called a punch board. Turn it around your corners. And how are you doing with the daylight savings time? I was up at 7:30. So that would have been right on schedule at my old time of 8:30, which was fine. And then I got my breakfast on, so it's cooking. So in a minute I'll be able to go in there and eat. So I said, well, while I'm waiting, I am going to... Okay, so let me see if that's where I boo-booed, or if this is... Yeah, so it goes in here. Let me lay this in here and see which way it's supposed to go. Okay, perfect. Now see, it fits in there like that. Perfect. Did I do it like that? Looks like it. I don't know. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. So put the card in. That way you know, yes, this is the right way. Folds down. Now let me get the tape on it and see if it's still gets, and after I've got little adhesive, is it going to cooperate? Get those corners so you can peel the tape up. Okay, fold this bottom piece. Smooth it on. Take your card. Lay it in here. There. Oh, we did it. There. Okay. So now you see it. I'll just continue this, and I will finish up this stack, and then these will go into her Happy Mail binder. Okay, so we are all good to go now. So now you know exactly how to make your envelopes with the envelope punch board. And I'm just getting all my little stuff here because I like to clean up right as I'm done. That's one of my little tips that I like to share, is clean up immediately as you go. Kind of like when you a cook in the kitchen, you know. Don't leave all that, you know, sitting there, and then you come back later on and you see this whole big stack. Okay, so there we had it. Alrighty, now I'll just finish up these, and then I will have her set finished, and it will go into here. So now I'll take these out, and these ones that I've made here for her. Okay, these 3 have cards in them, so I'll just go ahead and stick them in here like this. And then this one here is ready. Let me put it in. Okay, that one's, yeah, maybe I folded this one wrong. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. We're going to be doing a giveaway when we hit 200 subscribers, so thank you so much for joining my little crafting community. And we're at, we need 26 more subscribers, and I'll be giving away a $10 store credit to both of my Etsy shops. So 2 winners. So one $10 credit will go to Markets of Sunshine, Handmade product Etsy shop, and the other one will go to my Vintage Gifts and Supplies Pioneer Fundraiser Etsy shop. So please subscribe to my channel, And thank you for watching, and I really appreciate it. And if you want to tip me, you can just go over to my Etsy shop and make a purchase, and that's your way of being able to tip me. And once we hit 200 subscribers, I'll have a Patreon account, and you can become a patron and tip me that way as well. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a sunshiny day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.